Back in 2018, my husband and I traveled to Bavaria, Germany, to cross Neuschwanstein Castle off my bucket list. And that was the excitement after I spotted the castle for the very first time. Neuschwanstein Castle is 19th century castle located in a village Hohenschwangau near town Füssen. We arrived at our destination late in the day, so we didn't explore much. We strolled around the town and enjoyed the warm summer evening. The next day was dedicated to exploring the castles. We visited two, Neuschwanstein Castle and Hohenschwangau Castle. First we visited Neuschwanstein Castle, which is one of the most popular of all the palaces and castles in Europe. In normal circumstances, it welcomes almost 1.5 million visitors per year. It was built in the late 19th century as a dream retreat for Bavarian king Ludwig II. He envisioned it as an idealized version of medieval castle. Ludwig's contemporaries thought of Neuschwanstein as a kitsch, but today it is regarded as one of the major works of European historicism. Neuschwanstein can only be visited on a guided tour, and no filming nor photography is allowed inside. Except in a tiny cafe inside the castle, and few other spots. After the tour, we went to the Marienbrücke to get some Insta-worthy shots of the castle. But the queue was way too long for us to wait. We had another castle tour to attend. But before another castle tour, we went for delicious lunch. With our bellies full, we were ready to explore another castle. Hohenschwangau was a childhood residence of Ludwig II. It was built by his father, Maximilian II of Bavaria, and it was used as summer and hunting residence of the family. Same as Neuschwanstein Castle, Hohenschwangau can be visited only on guided tour. Photography and filming are also not allowed inside.
Due lepší. Bude impresivní. To je to tlička.
Проблем при тем е да бъде друг. Даже мотивация много падла.
Даже je preveč.
After the castle tour, we walked to the nearby Alpsee. It was a wonderful sunny day, and we regretted not taking swimsuit with us so much. But we still enjoyed our time there a lot.